Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is December the 2nd, and the chart of the day for today is gold here. So this is 60 minutes time frame. So we're looking for more upside to complete the rally, as long as it stays above this $4,000 here. Now I think I can tell you this current rally here is within wave 3 in the minor degree, and within wave 3 we subdivide into 5 waves, in which we could be looking to finish 3 in black very soon, with one more leg up from here. So we got this 1, 2, 3, 4 in blue, 5 up, will be ending 3 in black, and then 4 in black, and then 5 in black, to complete this with 3 in red. Now zooming out a little bit on the daily time frame, we can see we got this 1 and 2 here. This is the all-time high, which has not been broken, but we do have a high sequence from the low here, 1, 2, high. So we're just simply measuring from the October 29, the 100% extension. We're gonna be looking for 43, 48 at the least to complete this cycle here. Right now, of course, we could have continued to extend higher as a wave 3, going to even 1.618, right, or somewhere here, and breaks to new all-time high, since we are in the wave 3 from here. Now the alternate here suggests that as long as we still have not been able to break above the peak, instead of 1, 2, this could have been APC. Alright, and either the C and CA43, 48, or truncates and then sell off again due to a bigger degree correction. But with silver breaking to new all-time high, it is less likely to be for gold to be doing something like that. So it's more likely gold will be continue to get supported and continue to rally higher, with the 43, 48 as the next potential target or higher. Right, so shorter cycle, then we should be looking for more upside and pull back to find support in any 3711. So if we do get another leg down like this, then we should be able to find another support here. The count is going to change. If that's the case, we can call either 3 completed here, and then this is a 4 in black, or we could call this 1 of 3, and this is 2 of 3, which is also another possibility there in case we do get further downside in the shorter cycle. But as long as we stay above 4,000, we do like it higher. Alright, so that's basically what we are looking at with gold. And as always, if you do want to get more updates on gold or any other commodities, Forex, stocks, ETF, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial for the new member. The link is in the description of the video. We also run a Cyber Week for this week. So if you do want to join, this is a good time. You can get discounts to try our service, one of the plans. Alright, so I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.